Good morning, students of class 4. Today I am here with chapter 11, and today's topic is question time. In question time, there is a question number A. Gabriel's letter tells you a lot about Switzerland. Fill in the boxes to complete the information. Yesterday, I have told you to jot down each and every information about Switzerland and then make a paragraph of it. I think that informations will help you to complete these boxes. Scenic beauty. The word related to the scenic beauty: snow-capped mountain, blue lakes, green pasture and tall trees. Official languages: German, Italian, French, Romance. Best known for chocolate, cheese, watches. Mountains: the Alps, the Jura mountain. Sports: tennis, soccer, ice hockey, skiing and skating. Now it's time to answer this question. All the information will help you again. You have to write it down in a full sentence. What are the people of Switzerland called? The people of Switzerland called Swiss people. What are the languages of Switzerland? The languages of Switzerland are German, Italian, French and Romance. What are the resort town of Switzerland known for? Resort town of Switzerland are known for ski and skate and some summer activities like swimming, boating, hiking and mountain climbing. The marvelous town, resort town of Gstaad and Interlaken are known for skiing. What is a resort town? A resort town are the Resort towns are the places or towns where people go to for holidays. Why do most Swiss people live in plateau region and not on the mountains? Most Swiss people live in the plateau and not on the mountains because mountain slopes are always covered with ice and snow. These are the questions. स्विट्ज़रलैंड के लोगों को क्या कहा जाता है? स्विट्ज़रलैंड के लैंग्वेजेस क्या हैं? रिसोर्ट टाउन, स्विट्ज़रलैंड के रिसोर्ट टाउन किस लिए जाने जाते हैं, यानी क्यों फेमस है? और जो मार्वेलस रिसोर्ट टाउन गेस्टेड एंड इंटरलेकन है, वो रिसोर्ट, उसे हमने कहा कि ये रिसोर्ट टाउन है। तो एक्चुअली रिसोर्ट टाउन होता क्या है, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में पूछा गया है। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वाई डू मोस्ट पीपल लिव इन प्लेटू रीजन? अधिकतर लोग प्लेटू रीजन में रहते हैं, माउंटेन्स पर नहीं, क्यों? इसका जवाब मैंने अभी आप लोगों को बताया भी। अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, थिंक एंड आंसर। यू हैव टू थिंक ओवर द स्टोरी दैट यू हैव रेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, स्विट्ज़रलैंड इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अमॉन्ग द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल कंट्रीज, वाई? स्विट्ज़रलैंड को सारे कंट्रीज में से सबसे ब्यूटीफुल क्यों माना जाता है? Obviously, Switzerland is considered to be among the most beautiful countries because of its scenic beauty. It has snow-capped mountains, blue lakes, green pasture, tall trees, etc. Now question number 2, why does Switzerland have so many tunnels? स्विट्ज़रलैंड में so many tunnels क्यों हैं? आपने ओमाना की जर्नी आपके EVS चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा था, वहाँ पर भी आपने देखा था बहुत सारे टनल्स थे। रीज़न पता चल ही गया होगा। यस, स्विट्ज़रलैंड हैव सो मेनी टनल्स बिकॉज इट हैज़ सो मेनी माउंटेन्स टू हेल्प पीपल ट्रैवल विद इन द कंट्री. Tunnels and bridges are made. Question number 3, if you could bring back a gift from Switzerland for a friend, what would it be? I think all of you will agree with me. If I could bring back a gift from Switzerland for my friend, it would be Swiss chocolate. That's all for today, because this is the question time. We have already discussed on the questions. I have uploaded the worksheet related to this in link 2. You will take help and complete your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.